So your life is going so good that you clicked on a video on how to do math in Excel. Anyway, we'll start with the basics. If you want to add, we got this thing called the sum function. You just need to type this out and then click on what you want added and separate those values with commas. The SUMIF function is the cooler version of that. You tell Excel what to add based on conditions that you specify. If you want to multiply, we've got the product function. If you want to divide, we've got the quotient function. And if you want to subtract in Excel, you're out of luck. There is no subtraction function. No clue why, but Microsoft decided to draw the line in the sand right here. Now that the basic arithmetic is out of the way, let's learn some cooler things. There are all sorts of ways to round in Excel. Equals round rounds to a specified number of digits. Equals round down rounds the number towards 0. Equals round up rounds the number away from 0. You can also use the equals even to round to even numbers, or equals odd to round to the nearest odd number. Floor.math rounds a number down, but where it says significance, you can put to the nearest fifth, tenth, or whatever you want. Moving on from rounding, equals GCD will give you the greatest common divisor for all the numbers that you specify. Equals random returns a random number between 1 and 0. Rand between gives you a random number between two numbers that you specify. And lastly, rand array returns a whole table of randomness. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a like. If you have any questions or an idea for a future video, make sure to put it in the comments below. Thanks again.